Welcome to our channel. Today we how to plan retirement income streams, complete guide step by step clearly.
Begin with understanding your retirement goals.
Identify your desired lifestyle and expenses during retirement. Next, calculate your expected retirement income needs. Consider factors such as healthcare, housing, and leisure activities. Explore potential retirement income sources. Include Social Security benefits as a primary source. Research pension plans if applicable to your situation. Determine investment income from savings and investments.
Analyze your current savings and assets. Explore annuities for guaranteed income options. Next, think about part-time work opportunities. Consider how much you want to work and what roles interest you.
Create a diversified investment strategy. Balance risk and return to suit your income needs.
Review your asset allocation regularly. Plan for taxes on your retirement income. Understand how different income streams are taxed. Set up a withdrawal strategy for your retirement accounts.
Decide whether to withdraw a fixed percentage or a specific amount.
Monitor your spending throughout retirement. Keep track of your expenses to stick to your budget. Adjust your income strategy as needed.
Stay flexible to adapt to changing market conditions.
Consider consulting with a financial advisor.
They can provide personalized guidance tailored to your situation.
Finally, review and update your retirement plan regularly.
Stay informed about changes in tax laws and market trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.